はい、NTT さんのブースです。
Is currently working on. We'll talk about its underlying concept too, something called IOWN. In a nutshell, IOWN is a future communication infrastructure with photonics technology at its core. It's actually being attempted by a number of companies around the world, including NTT, and the reason is simple. With ever-increasing volumes of data, we are now beginning to see the limits at improving the capacity of computers to process and analyze all of that data. The speed of conventional networks is also approaching its limit very quickly. So given that reality, we think that what the world needs now is an initiative to develop a new communication infrastructure, something that goes beyond the internet. That may surprise you, but at NTT, we are convinced now's the time to start looking ahead, and that is precisely the new challenge that we are taking on. So let's take a closer look, and I'll explain what kind of technology will actually be used in IOWN. To help us realize a world that goes beyond the internet, what we're hoping to achieve first is the creation of an all-photonics network that will serve as the underlying network for information processing in the future. It's a network in which light will be used instead of conventional electrical signals to send and process information. As you know, with today's existing networks, optical signals sent through optical fiber are converted to electrical signals for routing and processing. However, an all-photonics network sends and processes optical signals without conversion. The elimination of that conversion between electronics and photonics will substantially reduce transmission delay, improve network speed, and also save energy. In addition, the use of optical circuits inside of IT devices will dramatically enhance their processing capacity and reduce power consumption at the same time, obviously resulting in considerable savings. So think with me for a moment. If we can create a device that operates with 1/100th of the power required now, the size of that device could be incredibly small. Could optimally harmonize all IT resources going forward. We're pretty excited about that, right? Think about the future. Networks and computers powered by photonics technologies will make digital twin computing possible. People will be able to digitize themselves along with the rest of society, making it possible to interact with each other in virtual space. NTT's IOWN initiative will make that possible. The innovation of information technology using light will bring about a new paradigm, transforming people's lives and industries, dramatically enhancing comfort, safety, and efficiency. Very happy to be able to tell you that NTT, Intel, and Sony have already announced the creation of the IOWN Global Forum to promote IOWN and make this kind of future a reality. To date, more than 100 different companies from around the world have already shown interest in the IOWN Global Forum, and of course they'll play a central role in specifications review, device implementation, and use case considerations. Honestly, today we're inviting you to do the same and join us on this very exciting journey to the future using IOWN. If you'd like to see up close and personal some of the ways we're bringing these ideas to fruition, where you have a small R&D lab set up just inside, right this way. Thank you very much and enjoy exploring the future.